I'm just tracking down the iOS at the rear of the home. It's it's about 4 metres from the left rear corner of the home, directly below the clothesline area. Okay, junction at 0.3 of a metre, appears all okay. Okay, it's just an offset. Appears all okay. Okay, junction here at 2.2 metres. Appears all okay. Another junction at 2.9. Appears all okay. Another junction at 7.2 metres. No, that's all okay, yep. Intrusion there? No, it just looks like a bit of... Hang on, I'll just brush through that. I'm pretty sure there's just some gunk that's just caught the top of that junction there. That should be okay. There's just a cap that's... Oh yeah, that would be an inspection pipe, an inspection opening. That's all okay at 10.7. Suspect that may be a minor intrusion there, possibly, or is that just something caught? Okay, at 11.1 means there's possibly something there. It could be just something caught. I'll have to look on the big screen at a later point just to assess that further. I'll actually come back to that. We'll just go further. Okay, so 14.4, a couple of offsets here. Oh yeah, no, that was just a set of bends, working through the bends there. Okay, alright, so we're coming down. That could be a 45. There at that point, that's a junction. Yep, this is possibly the boundary inspection shaft. Okay, so we're working down now, down the boundary inspection shaft here. And, there we go. Roots. I can see roots hanging down here. Tenant reports that the blockage was cleared at the boundary inspection shaft. So it looks like, I would say, these roots here at the base of the inspection shaft would be the culprit. And I'll just work back up. So yeah, so we're working straight down vertically, cross into the horizontal section, and there are the roots there. I'll just mark that location just to double check that that's where we're at. Okay, so this is actually coming down on a 45-degree angle. That junction where the iOS was actually a 45-degree junction facing down on a 45-degree angle with the actual branch coming up horizontally for the boundary inspection opening to surface. So we come down on a 45-degree angle, and then into the horizontal section of drain. That's where the root intrusion is located, and we're in line with the right rear corner of the letterbox, and we're about 1.5 metres to the right of the right rear corner of the letterbox there. There are communications and electrical cables right near where this drain is located. We're near a kind of a large hedge tree that's nearby also, and we're right next to the and there's a little border and a garden area where the excavation would need to take place. But it is actually below garden and below grass, but just bear in mind the communications and the electrical nearby. Okay, so we'll just... I just need to work through this. Is that a... I don't see a junction at that point. We'll just work through further, because that has to be... We must be working now... offsetting across. Oh yeah, and there we go, and there's the council sewer there. From there we're into the council sewer. Okay, just looking at this section here, I can actually see bits of glue that are sticking out. I think it's just a remnant that's caught on a bit of glue that's sticking out from the joint, as far as I can tell. I don't think it's anything of any consequence at this stage. So the main issue is definitely at the boundary there, at the front boundary.